Everyone, talking about Mists of Time by Gallagher Fragrances. The notes in this are bergamot, candied orange, mandarin, lime zest, black currant, patchouli, birch, cypress, cedar, leather, tobacco, musk, vanilla, and mineral notes. So this is pretty popular with a lot of people, but I would say at the same time it is very hit or miss, and I'm on the miss side personally. Very, very candy-ish opening. Reminds me of like being in a synthetic sort of scoop it yourself candy store while wearing fresh laundry, where lots of fabric softener sheets had been used. I just find it really like intensely synthetic, and there's not a problem to me about it actually being synthetic. Like, oh, it doesn't have enough natural ingredients. Just like when it smells so inherently synthetic in that candy-ish way, that's what I get from this. A lot of people do like it though, so that doesn't mean you'll get that. After that part, the airy cypress starts to come in with some other woods as it progresses. And then for a while, it still has that kind of like clean laundry with fabric softener vibe to me with the way the musk is done. But this time you're like standing in a forest instead of a candy shop with the clean clothes. The sweetness then transitions into being more vanilla-y and less candy-ish. And this combines by the end to like dirty notes along with sweet ones. So that's one of my least favorite type of scent categories. Not my type of thing at all. But again, many people do like this. So if you like the idea of kind of like a candy-ish citrus opening that transitions into a forest and then more of like an earthy patchouli leather with some mineral metallic vibes in the dry down, might be much more your taste. Unisex, about 120 for a 50 milliliter with moderate to good longevity and projection. And I'll link in the description where you can check it out.